Section 1. Self-Improvement Foundation. First up, build yourself before you approach. You can't pour from an empty cup. My biggest mistake, jumping into conversations feeling like garbage about myself. Fix that with self-improvement. It's the non-creepy superpower. Start with confidence. It's not arrogance, it's quiet self-assurance. How? Hit the gym 3 to 4 times a week. Even 20-minute bodyweight sessions build that "I got this" vibe. I went from scrawny and insecure to owning my space after 6 months. Read books like Models by Mark Manson. It flipped my mindset from chasing approval to being genuinely interested in people. Next, hygiene and style. Creepy starts with smelling like yesterday's gym socks. Shower daily, use deodorant, brush your teeth, and keep nails trimmed. Style? Simple, fitted clothes that fit your body, clean shoes, and a signature scent like fresh cologne. I used to wear baggy tees, now I rock slim chinos and button-ups. Girls notice effort. It says you respect yourself, so they'll respect you. Body language seals it. Stand tall, shoulders back, no slouching or fidgeting. Make eye contact like you're talking to a friend. 2 to 3 seconds, then glance away naturally. Smile genuinely. Practice in the mirror or film yourself. My early fails: staring too long or invading space. Now, open posture invites connection, not discomfort. Do this for 30 days, and you'll feel unstoppable. It's not about looks, it's about showing up as your best self. Section 2. Emotional maturity. The real game changer: emotional maturity. Respect boundaries and communicate like an adult. All right, real talk. My creepiest moments came from zero emotional maturity. I ignored signals, pushed too hard, and handled rejection like a kid throwing a tantrum. Flip that script. Boundaries and respect first. Every girl has them. Read the room. If she's short answers, looking away or stepping back, back off gracefully. Say, "Cool, have a great night." No guilt trips. Respect is magnetic. Ignoring it screams creepy. I once kept texting after a no. Learned the hard way that persistence without consent is harassment. Communication basics. Talk like a human, not a script. Ask open questions. What brought you here tonight? Listen actively. Nod, paraphrase back. Sounds like that trip was wild. Share vulnerably too. I tried skydiving once and nearly peed myself. My mistake? Monologuing about myself. Now it's 60/40ths are you. Handling rejection. It stings, but it's not personal. She might have a boyfriend, bad day, or just no spark. I got shut down at a coffee shop, laughed it off, said, "No worries, enjoy your latte," walked away taller. Rejection builds resilience, sulking kills it. Emotional maturity means owning your feelings without dumping them on her. This stuff creates safety. Girls open up when they feel respected. That's how real attraction starts. Section 3. Dating skills. Approach to keeping interest. Dating skills. Approach, text, ask out, and build real interest. Now, the practicals. No tricks, just honest steps rooted in mutual respect. I tested these after my fails. They work because they're genuine. How to approach. Pick low-pressure spots, coffee shops, events, mutual friends. Walk up calmly, within 3 to 5 feet. Palms visible, non-threatening. Open situational. "Hey, that book's awesome. Is it as good as it looks?" Or, "Your dog's stealing the show here." Keep it 30 to 60 seconds max unless she engages. My first good approach. At a park. "Mind if I pet your pup?" Boom, 20-minute chat. Exit strong. "This was fun. What's your name?" Texting right. After getting her number, wait 24 hours. First text, reference the meetup. "Hey, the guy from the park. Your dog's still the star. How's your week?" Keep it light, 1 to 2 texts day. Mirror her energy. If she's emoji heavy, match it. No novels or double texting. Build anticipation. Share a funny story. Ask her opinion. I bombed with WID. Spam. Now it's playful banter leading to dates, asking her out. After 3 to 5 solid texts, go direct. "Hey, loving our chats. Want to grab coffee Thursday at?" Specifics show thoughtfulness. If yes, great. If no, no problem, take care. Date 1, 60 minutes max, public spot. Focus on fun. Ask about her passions, share yours. Pay if you invite, but offer split, keeping her interested. No games. Be consistent, fun, and real. Plan varied dates, Hike, art gallery, cooking night? Flirt physically with consent, light touch on arm if she leans in. Listen to her needs, surprise with her favorite snack. My ongoing win? Weekly check-ins. How was your week? It builds emotional connection without pressure. Fade if it's not mutual. Healthy relationships thrive on reciprocity. Personal story and tie back. Let me tie it with my story. Post-fail, I overhauled, gym, style upgrade, practiced approaches daily, approached a girl at a bookstore, situational opener about her book. We texted naturally, coffee date followed. She's now my girlfriend. Why? I showed up improved, respected her space, communicated openly. No creep factor because it's all mutual. Quick recap and call to action. Recap, self-improve confidence, hygiene, style, body language. Grow emotional maturity with boundaries, respect, communication, rejection handling. Nail dating, genuine approaches, smart texting, direct asks, consistent interest. This is your roadmap from my mistakes to real connections. Drop a comment. What's your biggest dating struggle? Like if this helped, subscribe for more real talk, and share with a bro who needs it. Thanks for watching. Go be the respectful king you are. Peace.